Good. So let's get this. Just a couple other. Good. Come all the way down. Good. Zoom in. Good. Good. All right. Breathe out.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my god.
Расслабься. Еще один. Молодец. Давай. Немного расслабляйся. Надо не больно. Ай, нихуя.
All the way up. Good. Beautiful. Nice. Oh. Wow, that was a lot. All the way. Good. Good. One more. There it is. You okay?
Yeah.
Same thing, other side. Yeah. Beautiful. Right there. There it is. And we'll start there on that right side. So I'm going to tip you over, just right ear to your shoulder. Look up this way just a bit. Good job. And we'll get one more on the left here. I want you to tip this left ear over to your shoulder and look up this way just a bit. Really good. Okay. Oh, good.
Nice and relaxed. And is your neck starting to go already? Feel that? Oh yeah, this guy's a big self-adjuster.
Yeah.
Which is terrible, people. Stop self-adjusting.
Oh.
Good.
Good. Other side. And let's adjust right there. Relax. Good. On your back. Relax. Let it go down. Easy. And very gentle. One more little one. Let go. На коридоре тумбочка, потяньте, все. Расслабься. Еще. Вот так. Расслабься.
A little work in the neck. Just like this. There we go. Thank you. Now, over here. And then just like that. Okay. Beautiful. Nicely. It went well.
Good.
Cool. Right back down. Let's do it like this. Nice job. Oh, sweet. Beautiful. Moved well. Thank you.
Good.
All right. Oh, we'll see. Huh? Okay. So, nice and gentle. Look at that. Thank you. One there. One over here. One over here. Just kind of let that relax there. Good. Thank you very much. Well done. Good.
So what I want you to do is just relax this left shoulder, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust. I'm going to go ahead and finish adjusting her. Relax this right side. Perfect. How's that feel?
Better.
Good. And breathe all the way out. Good. And we do one more here. And breathe out.
This is for the interpubic joint and the two ball and sockets. Breathe in and breathe out. Here we go. Hold and rest. And breathing in and breathing out. Here we go with the thrust. And back. And rest. Breathing in and breathing out. And rest. And breathing out. Over like this we go. Here we go. Thrust. And relax. And breathing out. and rest.
Ganz sauber kleine Korrektur. Und dann noch den C2. So. Perfekt.